Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate MetaTrader 4 for iOS. So at the moment I'm on the quote screen. So this is basically the market watch. Here I can find all the different symbols that I can trade. Now as you can see, there's only a few symbols at the moment listed. That's because I haven't actually favorited or saved all the symbols I want. So say right now I am missing the Euro US dollar, doesn't seem to be here, but that's something I love to trade. So what I can do is just click the plus button in the top right hand corner. Here is now the full list of all the different categories. So Euro US dollar is a Forex symbol, and you can see all the different symbols now available. So all I've got to do is find Euro US dollar, which is here. I'm going to click the plus button. And when I click done, it is now there at the bottom. Now if I ever want to edit this list, I can just click the little pen icon on the top left hand corner. And I can essentially just click on the ones I don't want. So I don't want, actually, I like that one. I'm going to get rid of all these and then click the delete button in the top right hand corner. Click the pen again to get out of editing mode. And that's it. So we also have a simple and advanced tab. So simple will just show you basically the ask and bid price. Advanced will show you also the low and the high of the day. Okay, so a bit more advanced, it also shows you the current spread as the spread changes and the time. I'd personally prefer the simple tab. And just going back to the plus button at the top right hand corner, you can see all the different assets tradable. We've got so many Forex pairs as expected, contract for difference, CFDs as well, so much to choose from, stocks, big list of stocks to choose from, crypto, and then we also got US stocks, CFDs, indices, commodities, you name it. So there's a long list of things you can trade with AAAFx. But going back to the market watch screen, if we now want to look at a bit more in depth of pound US dollars, so the first one, if you just click on it, you get three different options: trade, chart, or details. So the trade chart we will cover in another video on how to place trades. Chart as well we'll cover on another video. But the details tab, if you click that, it will actually show you the type of spread, so it's a floating spread, the amount of digits, so that's a bit more technical, but basically the amount of digits after the decimal point. Stops levels, contract size, and contract size of one lot, basically how much that value is. In this case it's $100,000, which is a standard lot. Profit calculation be Forex, margin hedge, swap long and swap short. So also if you're holding it overnight to trade, you'll have to incur swap fees, and that's how much it is essentially. So gives you a bit more in-depth detail about the pound US dollar. Now if we look at the bottom of the screen and click on chart, we now open up the chart. Here you can obviously scroll, zoom, and I will go in a lot more detail on how to actually set up the chart. This is more just navigating. The trade tab gives you your balance, equity, and any open trades that you should have. History, again, very self-explanatory. Any trades that have been closed, and any withdrawals, any deposits, things of that nature will show up in your history. You can also change it by week, month, or custom date. And finally, settings. Here is where you can look at which account you're on. So I'm on my demo account with AAAFx. You can open up a new account, your mailbox, news, chat and messages with the MQL5 community. And then you also got settings with the charts and actual MT4 settings themselves. And that's pretty much it in terms of navigating the MetaTrader 4 platform. Very, very simple. It's all just based in those 5 tabs at the bottom, and each one plays a very important role, and we'll go much more in depth in further videos about each individual tab. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.
AAAFx.